this 5 o'clock and it's already this dark. Crazy season. Molweni, igama lam ndinguthulisile Kolweni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and your family. I will really appreciate that a lot. In today's video, it's gonna be at life lately vlog.
The next day.
Nice. Received my Shein order. So I bought this, that, and I bought these. These came in 3 pairs, and the other one I'm wearing. And then I have Glam Glow leggings. They feel so luxe. And then I have this top on. And then I bought these, which I feel like they are way too small for my tatas, but I'm wearing one of them because they also came in 3. And I have this for my phone. These are just temporary glasses. I have glasses. Also bought myself sunglasses. I know it's winter, but you know, word. And then I bought myself this. Oh, these came with these. And then I have what you call a shapewear. I'm stressed that this is gonna roll up. Hopefully not. But the material is something that I already have. I already have something like this, which I got from Truist, I think. And then we have 2 beanies. And where's the other thing? I bought these for my airports. And then I bought these as well, which I'm excited for. But those, and yeah, that's all that I have for you guys for my Shein order. These are not, I have something like this but in black, which I got from Cotton On. It's a little bit warmer than these. Obviously I did show you guys I have these bodysuits as well. They also came in 3. Yeah, excited. Glam Glow's packaging, stunning. Kesan. So today is the 11th of June. I am supposed to be taking off this, like washing my hair, doing a treatment because I'm preparing for my hair to do a treatment. So because of load shedding, it's back now, but it's on and off. I don't know what's wrong, if they're fixing something or if there is like load shedding, but I think I'm gonna sleep now because it's after like 7, like kudlala indaba, but I like to sleep early. So I'm gonna sleep and then I'm gonna set my alarm to be around 4 so that I can get up, do my hair, and later tomorrow I'm gonna go do my hair after work. So I'm going to work tomorrow and I'm also going to work on Thursday. I am going to the Eastern Cape kunomsebenzi kulo mamam, so I want to be there because there was umsebenzi that I missed in 2021 that I couldn't make it to. So I want to not miss this one. My cousin has already left, so I'm gonna see him emsebenzini. And yeah, I don't think a lot of people are going. It's just a few because ubulisile lo msebenzi. And for some reason I just felt the need to be there in this time around. I'm excited. It's always a good time to like be home. I always feel revitalized whenever I have to go home. We normally go home, me and my husband, around December, but whenever there's like a ceremony or something important going on as Lalini, we do go. And yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. I'll probably show you guys that, or you will see that in my short videos. Please do check out my short video. I do a lot of my hair content there. And yeah, I think I've been talking for too long. I shall see you tomorrow when I do my hair, or when I go after work to do my hair. I'm not doing anything dramatic or anything that's gonna take too much of my time because time is of the essence. I am gonna do wig lines. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a treatment and but yeah. Hey loves, so I am done with my hair. As you can see, nothing fancy like I said. And I'm so hungry. We are in load shedding. So we're just gonna wait until 8 for the electricity to come back. If not, then we're just gonna sleep because we didn't even buy bread and all the shops are now closed. Yeah, I can't believe we are here again, load shedding, and I was getting used to this life of no load shedding in South Africa, yes. And I was enjoying it. I need to pack. I did mention that I'm going to the Eastern Cape, so I need to pack. It's so dark. We're gonna use our phones because that's what I'm using right now. The light, my husband, and my phone and my flash is on. That's the struggle. This is South Africa, Kissan. Your Honor, I am humiliated. I'm treated like the apartheid prison. I have Louis, I have Gucci. Anyways, let me pack. So let's pack with me, preparing to go to the Eastern Cape. I'm so excited. I always get so excited when I have to go home. Like, I always feel like when I go home, I am like, there's this energy that I come back with. There's just that aura. But yeah, let's pack with me. am on a lift. I just got off a Gautrain, so I'm now going to the park station.
Attention passengers, due to a technical fault on the E-line.
Anyways, I managed to get off, so now I am going up to the park station Yebasi, because now I'm still by the Gautrain area. So yeah, I'm excited to be going home. I'm literally excited to be going home. Can't. I always do that. Anyways, oh. We have arrived. Let us enjoy. We've arrived at Park Station. This. Thank you. So at the moment in the Park Station, I am going Ezlaleni, like I said. I also need to go withdraw money because unfortunately there is actually no oh, I just remember I actually forgot in my camera, but it's not a train smash. I literally forgot about it. Anyways, in this Burger King right now, I'm gonna have something to eat quickly, and then ndiyo withdraw imali, and then withdraw lo mali, head downstairs to the actual park station. That is just a little update so far. I am excited. I don't know, I have this knot on my hair. That's my order. I need to go and grab it and eat. It's now darker outside and it's almost 6 o'clock. I think around 5:45, 6. Just gonna go to the bathroom and go withdraw the money and go down to Park Station. Malani, and tell me the 602. Yeah, because Turtle Garage kuqumbu sendifikile. As I was saying, I'm currently kuqumbu now. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm currently with Umbu, a garage. I just arrived. It's probably after 7, like 7:05 in the morning. So good morning. I am going to wait. Well, I'm gonna go into the bathroom, just freshen up a little bit and brush my teeth and then change to like appropriate clothes. And I probably won't change what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna put a skirt over, yeah, and a toque, and yeah, basically I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until maybe 2 p.m. in the afternoon to get home because I don't have transport. Like I didn't travel with my husband, so. Oh yeah, ngapha ya. Andazi. Uba zeziphi zabantu nazi zabantu abangotata pha.
Ufika ngokuyena wemali.
Sayo amazi yep. Kodwa noba ungangena usikombhatela xa uphumayo.
Ulithela.
So yeah, guys, just waiting for the bathroom to dry a bit, and then ndiyohlamba ubuso, ndihlamba amazinyo, ndithambise the beverage, you know. Unathi is coming. I need to call my cousin ohlala apha eMvumelwano ndimbuze uba what time, or if he's already there, or if not, what time is he gonna be in town. And my other cousin as well is coming from Mthatha, so I don't know if he's already woken up. I tried calling him, but he didn't answer my phone. Well, it went straight to voicemail, both the numbers I have of him. So yeah. Ndicinga kanjalo. Anelo injani imoto uyayazi wena ne? Nabo mzali. Nabo. Yabo janga kasibona. Masibona nosibona. Says shopping kabali, shopping shal. Madala nga, mabanga. Cinga kanjalo. Uyambona?
Andiboni madam maphambi kwezamoto sesiyamasa ngomnye.
Uyaphila all wethu. Awufana nobhuti Siphiwe, namgqibana nobhuti Siphiwe. Ebezile emngcwabeni kabhuti Msuvukile. Khangaphumelela. Uyambo? Ongafika umalume uthi ulapha kanti akamisanga uyahamba usendlele. Siyawulandela into esingayaziyo sana. Akayiki lo muntu imoto yakhe izotshayisa nje bevela ayibeka kanje. Babetha ibhake nje kamalume.
Enjani?
Enje. Uzokhwela apha siyofika simgqobagqoba.
Madam shona bakamama. Madam. Silapha se-Shoprite. Silapha se-Shoprite.
Akuna traffic.
Shoprite. Singase-Shoprite.
Akafake. Tayaya. Manueli. Niyavila. Niyavila. Akasemdala lona. Wakadala. Ndizele nabantu abangaka ndisindwe. Kompo okuhle kanani? And then omnye? Kuba nomnye? Yo ingathi uthobeke njengomzali omnye lo. Yemzali? Utheni wathobeka kanje ngawe lo ikwekwe. Oyena ngathi undwebile wena uyintombi. Okanye liyagqithisa ke lona. Singena sonke uphosiwe unathi. Unathi besethi hiking spot kujalo. Yo.
Uzobuya ngezandla.
Ewe. Ebesithi ubinalana. Ebesithi hiking spot ngela xesha bendimfonela.
Uzobuya ngezandla. Awuzonyamezela.
Yo, hayi ngcono ba nokuba ufike ngoku ngubani ixesha ngo-12. Hayi sizongena mos. Uphi malume?
Le wayeyena sesingcwabeni onteleka kumbuyo.
Oh when they want. Sasafika malume.
Into ndifuna sisoma sihambe. Lo ngapha. Lo lezantsi.
Xa siziqoqena kahle sibe safike sabeka. Yabona le nto zoba mna nkosikazi malume. Asimfo. Sisemotweni. Akusensima.
Hayi utamkhulu kabalibela ngotata.
Uzothenga isonke. Asho a box.
Kuphi yabona ke udibane mina nomuntu oqokayo mkhulu
Wabuthi uthwe.
yaqoka manje ngathi wena utsolo benza unxiba endlini yabona ijashini udibane umuntu oqokayo udibane umuntu oqokayo
Badala kuna.
madala hayi
Akusho lobuku utsola manyala athi hayi.
nobudala ke usenfonini nifake pressure ke ngizona yabona umadala ungxamile engake ngathiwa le moto yaphanza chayisa so umadala noba isenxaniswe nayilowo nto
Oh, yaphanza yachayiswa. Oh, yachayiswa.
yaphanza chayisa naba yazihambezana ive lo
Oh, ndiyakhumbula besisho sinokuthi uba bayibamba tontontolo.
bangxame emveni kokumadala yabona ndibona umuntu oqoke mna ndibona umuntu oqoke mna ubuthe ukutsola kudala ngcono phela ngoba ndihayikhe emotweni yomuntu
Uba uphi ngo?
umadala wenzani
Uzamela lo muntu.
banina
No mntathu makakhwela.
lo muntu
Noma ngicela imali etapeta apha nge-500
zawuthengwa apha sabe ndiyozithenga
bethi mali
Iyahamba le moto yethu.
siyothenga ne ezithu ne
yawuthethu
Awandi tonton leyo na.
Kapete 100 rand.
yes ngathi zama phoma 16 sende nanifuna afika short epha
Short.
Ngimntase.
Finish umalume lona.
mzala ethi into yakhe
Mzali ba?
lindelani
Hayi. Bethe akazokwazi.
serious uthini
Ina imali anga.
oh yena ndaphuma
Tungadote.
Zingabotyoki zonke ziphi?
uba nje yonke le
Enazo abakhulu enazo.
iyasiquka because into enjengemali
Malubamba.
ingazange afake
Dale funa ibamba.
kayisiqukile angeke amshonke ngizama izaba isimali why sinikeza uphoko nephoko nje notice hayibo onazi nalebo labo shepeza
Mala.
utibani
Aluzi business. I know ngosibanikeza unathi. Nami ngifuna ukuthenga ama-orange ne-chips. Phike so. Phike nsine.
Kaze zibonga zingawo.
Ngiyabutshani nami. Aniserang strong.
Ezo zifaka. Yeah.
The right.
Afwani. Futhi mlo.
Jordan umde kakhulu. Wena kutheni ngathi? Unabele ngapha uthi.
Lombalanza levenini. Sorry. Lombalanza.
Insele nje. Bonofutha kakhulu. Abantu awandihleka abantu abathe utya kakhulu.
Seliyakhaya lejuice.
Yalayisha phela manje. Isimanje esisusa.
Yaphumula siyethembisa siyephabelele.
Ulokuba ne-stress wena ndidle ukudla ongawuphekileyo.
Stress adonwe.
Yayimlahla nkazi. Yayibhizi ngabantu baseGoli nkazi.
Mama umntana ke lo dlala.
Lo wasela
Waphelele.
lo wasela.
Yo,
Akulahla.
angathi nokudla.
Engakufuni. Wamncama.
Esimongeni. Uphi?
Useva ithembile.
La ndawo.
Abe ndingamfota nje
Kahle kuqe.
Malakal. Unjani? Ikhamera ma. Yafoda. Aneva ma. Esalingoti. Tivula. Thina babe bebendilandela bokokoko.
Ha.
Ban Kamala. Ban Kamala. What's your name? Ban Kamala. Yeah, Bon.
Yes, the camera.
Amancane. Tindikela sovela ndamancane nawo. Nandiko. Ciao. Kwitch.
Swenza nangani this way.
Manje dansi lokuthu.
Kabuya.
Uyakhulula ithumbe linye. Amanye apha.
La yebo lekukho i1 fa.
I1 cha kubeza inkukhu ezoxhala.
Ileka nokubithutha.
Ezi
Hayi ezinye lezo xa.
hayi
Bevuya hayi.
bevuya uyaphatha. Bevuya. Awukwazanga ukunixelela igama lakho bungubani. Ne? Ndikubonanga mol. Hayi usanazo nje Crocs zakhe yena ngathi ziyamphuma kwaye.
Hayi, akasenayo. Angina
Ne?
bendifuna ukumrekhonkoza banganani.
Bayitshela. Ngoba
Kaloku la bayibaleka bekhohlele fe. Kulungipimesi fa.
molo wena yazazi buku YouTube. Yazazi buku YouTube. Eh?
Dipimesi.
Uku YouTube.
Ngezwa dipimesi.
Uyakhumka le.
Nizaba iconvoy yami. We uyisaphi ijacket yomntaka nikela ndiphe? Ndiphi chess? Ndiphe mapha. Ndiphi?
Iyafata bonke abantu abasezibaya.
Nkosi.
Hayi kalo, jive yi-record le. Kalo jive cho. Yo.
Sibella. Mon.
Un malaka London. Mon. Mon. Ophelile. Ophelile. Dip, ayiki wale ndika. Dip. 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 Dikot. Kos. Banka malako. Banka malako. Hey, yes, like. Umalila la. Yes, Asa. Kuthani unibaleka? Woyika ikamera qha? Ngoku bungayika igusha. Ha?
Hayi, asoyiyo.
Wenza lento uba uthatha ibhotile yam wayirhuqa yelinathi. Nenza ntoni? Niyaqoqa manyikana nentloko. Lelo kuthiba nele nto za. Devo dar fan. Mola mzali. Uyaphila mzali? Udla inyama mzali.
Sibethe songa sombhako lapha ngimntaka seyibona. Sizibethela nombhako nje opholileyo. Sisemafama nyanga. Sizibethe nombhako.
Ibiti.
Iyo le. Sizibetha nombhako nje. Yeah.
Umnandi.
Nandi umgaqo lo. Udlule sevengeni. Udlule sevengeni. Ngonyaka.
Ngeti.
Uzovela esiveni.
Ndizapho kodwa uyandingena.
Anyanga lo besidibana naye ekhaya.
Ala kita. Ndithi ngomkheniki lo.
Nguye.
Besilibazisa.
Kuye. Nidlithi nenyama kumnandi esibaye.
Ayifuni thatha uhambe.
Batheni bengayifuni ichili?
Bathi mdala bethi inyama basabe.
Niyatshona ilanga.
Usebenzisa mali noma isistipeti.
Hayi, unfortunately, video for YouTube.
Oh, yo. Ngoba sevedo
Kodwa kolungu emzala 50 rand.
Uzovela ku-YouTube.
20 rand.
Hayi 20 rand incinci, 50 rand.
Yo. Hayi ndayoyika ngeke. 50.
I20 right.
Maqumbu ndithi intwana kazinishute ndithi 10 rand.
I10 rand right.
Yathi yabandala lethini.
Banda nje okomphumela. Yo le kodwa ukade itene nense.
Ndiyayibona ngathi yabanda le. Seniphunga nje.
Inkomo ufuna ngena plant.
Ndinentloko kanjani?
Swekile. Sihluphuphuzula ngabayifuni. Hayi, abonifaki ithi ke ngoku. Sizibetha ngithi incane.
Injani ubanda noma yi-ice coffee?
Shushu lethi shushu yayibona. Ishushu.
Noba ishushu nje.
Makhenika ukuthi ufuna umshoti.
Ngibani makhenika?
Umfana.
Yakhe ba.
Makhenika. Makhenika. Makhenika imoto phansi kwamthi. Lethi
Triphi la keti lifunayo? Ndiphe la keti.
Nini ndiba nithi diwasi sonke nenyama. Abantu banjani ngathi
inyama lo kuyasebela ngenyetini.
ngeke futhi hayi ikolongo.
Usichabe nini Lux?
Yo hayi le nto kodwa yandokela.
Yakhe yo ndizothatha yona. Oh lo ndiyekile.
Yathini na?
Ndawufaka ku-YouTube.
Le nto yakho yenzayo ke leyo.
Nazibukela ku-YouTube. Did you finish? Wapha Mount Freya ne? Between Mount Freya nokum. Mount Elifu no Mount Freya. Nathi sike sama kulo stop and go lo. Hayibo. Yo, sike sama. Kushushu kuthe ginqi. Ingase ndiyithi ke ngoku. Early in the Monza. Ooh. Good morning.
Malali. Yeah, that's. That's his con. Ma? Malali. Morning, loves. I don't know if I actually updated you guys about yesterday, but yesterday we arrived. I ended up not waiting until like 5 or like 3 in the afternoon. My uncle, he was in town, so he did like fetch us in town, luckily, because we were gonna wait there for so long. Anyways, I'm sure you saw like yesterday's clips already, but yeah, this is the morning. We're busy preparing isitudio sesibahlambisile abantu izandla, so we're gonna make a studio and then we're gonna make coffee. And yeah, this is the next day basically. So this is the day of the actual event or umcimbi. So knock knock. Intoni mala? Isitudu. Yes, isitudu. Ndifuna ntoni kanaphi? Onion. Ntoni. And this. Darling. Spices. But I'm so ziphi yonke. Sesithathe. Cela ungibuyisela emzala.
Okay.
Because Mawala sana xolo. Philile. Hayi visithela ngamangunzayi. Ole.
Hey, engamthela ngethi
Nanga matswere.
Xa sendisiva nalapha ndingasiva
Kukhona
undinika ezizenzayo andazi kanti ndingakwazi umelapha ngapha
ungarhazelela
kodwa kwanazenza nobhatala baletonayo ndiyazi kodwa ndinalo
ayibakho ushiyekileyo nje phi hayi kitchen baba ndibeseni nabo bonke nabo kwelaa cala oh
Oh, nokupholoka kwabo nje. Nebufutshane.
Ngidaziphuma izolo ngoba sizenze ndathatha wine zinani siyibona zathembisa full cream man ubabezela kanokutulula phi mama za baba I'm sure usaphila sandeva nto usaphila umama naye ungathi bobabili unimisa inhloko emzini kaSinokuthula inhloko yakhona Sinokuthula Sinokuthula kuba nomtata kaMezana wantata kaMezana wasweleka ne Tatuntanga ndazi kwalo omazi kwalo uthani ududu uwhite non ulinquba neteki uwhite sana jonga mnyabo mna ndazithenga eJozi uziqonda ndiwathengele for ingqina sezilalini
Nike yaphinda nayo i-ID kodwa zibhutsi bendenza uba nganede okanye ubande kakhulu andithi nam ndikhuphe imali for ukuthi nakubanda ndawathenga
isoli yazo yiqinile osingabi ndithanda ezasewulisi ezaphezulu ziqinile nje nazo isoli yazo ayikho yabo ngishena sivakhe Disishena sivakhe akushikisha joga isithethe nathi isithethe utsho kanje mkhaphezelo lo
uyayazi nto esikalo nge-photoshoot
yile nto umtshayela kwayo akasikwa
elentombi ayikho ziphi asisizona kanje
Yolanda Ichilo. Awuvela wena uvela inyama. Dingela.
Zawenzile sokuchithela.
Hawu, uzohlazeka emazweni. Thuka. Alihlambi. Lihlamba le. Sayibawe le nqodi qha ngathi ndifumane esisefiweyo. Ibisefa nguwe yokas? Akhona osela apha nxani. Anxani. Yathi? Yathini? Nizaba clean kalo ndifuna ubabonisa before and after. Ndifuna ubabonisa before and after. Dithi bebe clean ke up. Angani? Mhlamba lini wena?
Yesama
ngoba laba. Anga tata. Ayawa malume yapho. Nazi girls, DVT clean. Abantu abagezileyo. Sitha amapharapara. Lihlambile nina sitha amapharapara yakubiza imali. Toilet paper. Ngokhangela toilet paper. Malena. Ile nkosi njani? Andimdaka. Umbi xolo umbi awuzithwani ndim. Ndiyakuviterayiza pho, ha?
Phuma mntendo ekhaya abakutyebe nangudade bomama wayekajike enze kanje ibheke athi Hey loves, so I am just so tired. Woo! I'm messing up everything. Oh my god. Anywho. Yo, Azadino. Anyways, I am gonna now shower. Well, shower. You know what I mean. There's no shower here. So ngena eqomi kwivascom ndihlambe. Ndifuna kuqala kuhlambe okuhle ka akhona. Anyways, see you when I'm all cleaned up. Kuthiwa ndiyathanda ufota, kuthiwa ndiyathanda ushoot. Khuluma. Ngaba ubona ka?
Yes, again, I know, no, because
You're recorded, ba?
Moment.
Oh, njengabafana. Njengabafana kwenzela uba
Ubaleka ngathi
hayi ndiyabona.
Anikayidli inyama. Wenzani Dabs? Uyaphunga? Okay. Aniveza pha YouTube makhulu. Okanye ndiniveze cutting edge.
Kutheni ngosisiya ko cutting edge.
Malasne. Janton.
Kiraz.
Nanton.
Salad.
Bisang. Upumli lang oh. Sana ka? Upumli. Sino? Si Yamen. Usa lo ka usa punyame mas. Lo baleka. Ha? Lo baleka. Yeah, I'm part of it.
Oh yeah, you got it. I'll tell you what. Oh.
Bye bye.
Guys, stop.
Open that. Huh? Kuyakba? Koka unat? Koka unat utheni ngenanyama? Iphelile inyama mntaza kuthiwa koka kunanyama. Kamereni. Ngizomthatha siyamhlela nazo siyothatha pictures. Inacela uyobeka apha ekamereni kuleni kamera. Okay. Ngabona. Ungelana abantwana manje. Aba bonke. Inyama yakho. Haniba mntana. At least nihlambile namhlanje.
Isholele njengoba bengisho akujikanganga isengalandlela enjongayo nako kubuhle benditheke ubhuli njengoba enza umsebenzi uye wacinga uba makenza umsebenzi akhe abantu ukutya ke okusikutyayo njengoba besitya sigcoba ke ngoku ukutya umqombothi usozile utywala besilungu ngoba ayizoswiti asisho ke apha emakhotshubeni baziswiti
Phuma nja.
enkosi
Phuma kanjana.
naso nedrink njengoba
Ayo. Hayibo, kuthiwa uyandibiza?
ndifuna soshitani sibathathu no.
Oh, kanti.
Ulo nothi ngibiza. Ngayikwazi uyiphatha njani lo ngake biza.
Nanto?
Leyilingana nami.
Nanto nenyama?
Uthuli ngokuzishuta ngoba masibambe imbiza.
Nisindwa apho.
Into yenzeka ngoku mosilengu live lo.
Mina ndibona ukumanzi kamanje thina ukuzichamela kodwa ndibakwathi mfundo akamanzanga nje.
Bevuyi uzonyengeza endlini.
Yaphela i-toilet paper kamalungu.
Lo mntana bephuma
Uzawuncelatake yabona ngosayiphalazini. Jikeleze enhloko phambani. Yabona uzofika kuthi.
Nobu hambini.
Ude uyandazi negama lami. Makhululile ngivule
Ngithile ndizapha nethi yam.
Kapil. Kali kudu wakhe lo.
Bantu bonke.
Tekethi nokenkinga
Kape. Unayo kape?
Into behlanza baphansi xa kuthiwa bamnikeze umqombothi wonke.
Uqobe hlanza naye.
Hayi
hayi kwakusula.
Usulile sula maswala sawugqibile.
Light amahle. Yiza amahle nethothi.
Oh, amahle uyathotsha mntanami. I never.
Bamkala kumbuyisela emvuleni
Yo ndagqoka
hayi wakunolindo ngo
Oh, man, and his mom.
Niyasela nibaningi bevuya Thembe cengi nonje amanzi
Ombi. Akacinga yeke.
yabona nangoku Thembe lihle wemenzelana wasinda nje ba inoba wesenxele letha mlimazi hayi
Akahambi uthi uzowondla lapha. Andazi. Kanti imbuzi.
yithi lo mntwana mbodle mntwana amangazolala
Banwena lo.
ubani lo mntana
yithi kuthiwa kuzolala apha bazolala pha yena
Banwena lo.
Umolwazi.
uzolala phi ke ngoku ke
uzondlala phi pha
wakhe wabetha omnye iguti ekuthiwa ngubhutizolile maphathwane la
hayi ndomasinani uzambetha
wasembethile kubhungatswinana
hayi ufuna nam ndingene kuloo nto ngoku hayi ngoba beva
wamvuthulula kwabhungatswinana loo ndandingama noma zibuza owaphi ke lona wabengakwazi nosukuma kodwa wakwazi ukusukuma wawogaxeka emnyango wathi ufaka uzobonaaapandimpondo
uthemzuvule tayibalisi uthi umatsinene babavale ezingubeni bavele baphume benodalwe ngibaxethe emkhulu esikwazi ukulala wazitshela uthi Durban ngoba uthi wayiqhuba intonga bayo uyakhumbula nyaka bhuti wakuvulele edladleni phaa kulaa round wafika utata ndaba ukhona ntoni amakhathoni bebethi izifube wangena wayamapha nagunga idlata uhleli ngentonga
uba uyakugibisela ngesigweba uthi ufuna ukuthi nca hayi uzawuthi uthi nca sesifikile sikubetha udongo uyobambelela ngezandla
awebetha utata awebona baba hayi
yabona ngobeka khona nokuhlanzile
uyazi uziqonda ba
Ngathi makasemangunzayini
amngunzayini process ubuya kanathi ubuyela kadlala ngabona xa khona umsebenzi phaka ngoba bapha akalanto ngomshoro babona abantu kuyabetha indaba xa begas emnyango
buyelwa kana kolekile
yabona ke lo singamisana
ha impundu zithelele ekude
Yo, wekavincela leyo nyongo kaloku apha ekitchini kwelaa khishi lakhona nesinamasa wafika indim naye nesimthembile sasimthanda ke thina ke simthanda ufake uzama usidedisa kusimthanda inyongo
Yabona une-influence secaleni.
sibazi mosibe phaa kulaa ndlu uyabona gogo silapha ekitchini thina sizitshela ikupha kwani nakawupheka ubani umkhuba uthule zana awupheka ubani athebe lothuli yho wangena ufake ngathi enyongo ndandithini kwamfake wamthini and ufake webetha izindawo ezirayithi kwendawo
idolo lenhloko neqakala
kodwa sikhala mehlo ngathi ngoba kaloku akafuni uba sihambe nayo thina sihamba nayo inkani akafuni uba sihambe nayo.
Hi my loves, so it's the afternoon, or rather the evening, like it's later in the day, and umsebenzi wenziwe kakuhle udlulile. So I do think that I want to close this vlog right here, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching until this far. Please do not forget to subscribe and to like this video if you did like it, and comment down below what was your favorite part about this vlog. Like in this vlog, I really did try to like not make it too long unnecessarily, like in terms of me, the whole traveling trip. I didn't want to show you guys too much of that because you guys have seen me in the road before. So I just wanted to keep it like, because I knew that the content that I was gonna be able to film here at home was gonna be a bit longer because of the 2 days that I am here as Lalini. So ndiyabulela kakhulu for watching this video. It really does mean a lot to me. I know that I haven't been posting a lot, and I know that I don't post every week, but whenever I post, I hope that you guys really do enjoy the type of content that I am producing for you guys. So thank you so much, my loves. I love you so much, and I shall see you in my next video. Tomorrow I am traveling back to Johannesburg. I'm just so nervous because my bus is at 7, and I think I mentioned this before. I did not travel with my husband, so I really don't have a transport, like a form of transportation of my own. So I'm gonna have to like travel early in the morning tomorrow, so that I will be able to catch a bus. But the thing is, I'm gonna have to be sitting it down the whole day. But it's okay, it's fine. I mean, it is what it is. It's not like there's something I can change about it at the moment, but yeah.
Yeah, fun, Anne. Yeah, fun. Yeah, fun. Siyazipha kudlala ngawo. Hayi ke. Nazo. Tamkhulu. Yiyo tamkhulu. Siyafana. Wena wenza hard labor up. Wenza hard labor up. Mornings. So I am leaving. I'm almost ready to leave. Just gonna have breakfast and then siam. Nansi ndibisa cingweni.
Ukudla usakhangela ayiboni lapha.
Hayi bamakayeke.
Benxibe nini?
Nini ngasekupha ndikhwela pha efront. Sazoguquza
Sizawuguquza apha mntase. Bye mntase. Nanibona ngoSeptember. Wena? Alright mntase akho ngxaki. Alright. Ungathengi. Siyohlika eRhino ke.
Hayi izawuqhawuka mzala.
For umilmili lo.
Vele bangena bashena lo in cases zabo.
Ungaphandle wabeze nazo. Nami ndiyayiva.
Hey, jungisa amabona. Ole kukhona Benini. Ole Benini.
Evenini olethu. Evenini olethu,
Sisebhakini Benini. Siyakhona ke siya town ke sana. Form of transport yethu ke le. The only. Hayi sana, sayikhalela itaxi.
So we are stranded between Oxted and Petermaritzburg. Our bus is there. You guys can see it. That's our bus there. We've been sitting there for like almost 4 hours now. So it's like 12 a.m. And the driver detected that the bus did not have the brakes were like faulty. He called his company, which is Intercape, and they told him that they're gonna send a technician, mechanic, what do we call it, to fix the bus, and he came, tried to fix it, and unfortunately he did not succeed. So now we are waiting for another bus. Yeah, this is it first, but there's a first for everything. So we are waiting for the bus. I'm already outside, not as cold. It's not as cold as when we were still in Bukombo waiting for the bus. So this bus was actually almost an hour late, because we were supposed to take it at 7 and it came around 22, quarter to. So yeah, that is the update, Kasana. So I was sleeping the entire time. I think the only time I woke up was when a lady came to sit next to me, but the whole time I was just sleeping, so I did not feel anything wrong with the bus. So I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted after I'm so busy and having to make tea for people, and just tired. But yeah, we are stranded in no man's land. We are literally in no man's land. That's another bus or whatever coming through there. Literally in no man's land. But anyways, I shall talk to you, I don't know, maybe when I get to Joburg or when I get home, to try and close this vlog, because I didn't think it was going to take this long. But since we are here, I need to update you guys with my travels. Yeah. Let me go back, because I am far from the bus because I wanted to pee, so now I've peed. And yeah. Yep, that's the situation, Gesana. Intercape, son, is not the hill I'm willing to die on anymore. Son, I feel like they should have just I feel like they should have just given us another bus from the get-go and have the mechanic come and fix the bus. Basically. I feel like that would have been the most logical thing to do, instead of us waiting here while the mechanic is fixing the bus, which is ridiculous. I feel like it's ridiculous. They were late, there was no communication, and now this. But I don't know. They said the bus was 20 minutes away. I think it's been more than that. No, they said it was 25 kilometers away. So I'm assuming 25 kilometers away is 25 minutes. But yeah, that's the update. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share this video if you can. I really appreciate that a lot. Bye, my loves.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and comment down below your favorite part about this vlog. And yeah, I shall see you in the next one.